Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I have covered NEAR protocol or the NEAR token itself. So I thought I should make a video on it. So first of all, let's have a look at some of the news that they have been going on. First of all, we'll cover NEAR intents. These are basically, this is I believe the new big thing for the NEAR itself. So NEAR intents is a multi-chain transaction protocol where users specify that they want what they want and let the third parties compete to provide the best solution for it. So this works for everything from token swaps to pizza delivery, as you can see here, creating a universal marketplace across crypto and traditional service. And this is basically the flow diagram. As you can see, we have user slash agent. There will be distribution channels like dApps, wallets, UI. So basically developers can actually build on that, so that's pretty good. And after that we have a NEAR intents market makers, as you can see here, and we have NEAR protocols verify smart contracts. So I think the NEAR token will be required here, so that's pretty good. How this works: we have intent creation. A user or AI agent expresses a desired outcome. For example, token swap for token swap, swap a token A for token B, and this is given to the market makers, also called solvers, you can see here. And after that, these market makers compete with each other. Off-chain decentralized network of market makers, aka solvers, compete to fulfill the request in the most optimal way. So that's pretty good. When the network finds the best solution, it represents it as a code to originating users slash agent for approval. That's pretty good. After that, there will be intent execution, as you can see here. So overall, I think this is pretty good for the NEAR itself, and they are doing something really interesting. Now after that we have billing, and it's final. NEAR launches 600 millisecond blocks and 1.2 second finality. So this was a massive, I would say this was another massive achievement for the NEAR itself. This is pretty good. They are getting pretty close to they are already faster than Solana and faster than Ethereum and their layer 2s, and they are also getting closer to Say as well. So that's pretty good, I think. Now this will be pretty good for AI agents and builders, and as they can now create real-time composable experience because of this speed. So I think that's pretty good. Now NEAR is also building a universal solution for cross-chain liquidity through their Omni Bridge. Again, a massive thing for the NEAR itself. As you can see here, the first phase of the Omni Bridge deployment will integrate NEAR intents, which are these one, and after that there will be clear and verifiable cross-chain transaction paths. So basically token swap can happen from blockchain A to blockchain B and so on. That's pretty good. It will reduce settlement times across all support chains, so that's pretty good. Better there will be a cross-chain DeFi applications as well. Overall, this is going to be the pretty awesome for the NEAR, I think, when it happens. Now we have another thing which actually happened on May 7th, 2025. Bitwise throws spot NEAR ETF in the race for the SEC approval, and as of now there are a lot of ETFs for the altcoins, and we have to wait and see which one actually gets approved. But I think if the NEAR does get approval, the NEAR coin could actually go, and it can actually go high, so I think that's pretty good as well. Now coming to the token itself, before we talk about the token, we have to talk about the NEAR states. These are the key states for the NEAR. So let's just do we have the first states, which is daily active addresses on the NEAR. As you can see here, the daily active addresses have actually gone down from 4 million to as low as 3.1. Still, it's pretty impressive. I think it's not that low. Again, 3.1 million daily users are a lot, After that we have daily transactions going down. Again they are holding really well, around 5 to 4 million, so that's pretty good I would say. But the real problem with the NEAR as of now is the TVL. Their DeFi is actually tanking a lot, as you can see here. It has struggled in the past, as you can see, and again it is basically down like 50% from its recent high, which was around 300 million, as you can see, and it's now at 141. And as of now all of the DeFi projects are tanking a lot, so that's not good I would say. Now what's interesting about the NEAR as of now is their DEX volume. So if we look at the DEX volume is actually going up, so that means there is a pretty good amount of trading happening on their DEXs. So that's, I think, really interesting here. That is something that you should know. That means there are some NEAR projects that are being traded a lot on their DEX, as you can see here. After that we have market cap and price. All of them are doing fairly good, I would say. If we look at the overall market, and the revenues and the fees have gone down, as you can see here. Now NEAR also has ETP, as you can see here. This is NEAR protocol is taking ETP, as you can see, and it is down as well, as you can see here. The AUM is not that big, it's only 1.5 million. Anyways, now if we look at the NEAR itself, if you are not staking the token and you are planning to hold this coin, you have to actually stake the token, because it is an inflationary token, and I think it has like 7% or 8% inflation yearly. So if you are holding this, you must stake this coin, or else you will be losing against inflation. And this is the supply growth chart, as you can see here. So the supply is increasing daily, and if you are staking it, that's pretty good, I think. Now looking at the token itself, if there is a demand for the coin in the market as of now, I think the token will most likely struggle to go up from this level. As of now, it seems like a pretty strong resistance, which is going to be around 3.5 to 2.9. First of all, it actually needs to go up from here. But if we look here, if we just look here, this point, or you can say this area of this demand zone has been pretty good one, because at first it actually came here and it actually ended up hitting, and it went to as high as 3.9. and as of now, if we are on the weekly chart, and it seems like that again this area, or you can say this demand zone, does have a lot of I think many traders have a lot of interest in this exact zone, as you can see here. So there is a high chance that we are heading towards 2.9 or 3.5 if the market remains pretty stable. It seems like that this was a pretty good demand zone, and the coin has actually gone up from here. So again, if the market does go down, let's say that we see a pretty big crash, so if that happens, I think again there's a high chance that the NEAR will most likely retest around this zone, which is going to be 1.2 to $1, as you can see here. If that happens, I think that is a pretty good entry for the coin itself. You can actually enter at this one as well if the market does go down. But again, hitting a new all-time high as of now may not be possible, because if you look here, when NEAR was around its new all-time high or its all-time high, the market cap was just not that high as well. It was around 12 billion, which is a lot. But again, in this one, the market cap actually ended up hitting 9 billion, and there was a massive AI hype, so we'll have to wait and see. So if the AI hypes comes back, I think we will most likely go towards $9. If not, it is hard to say. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.